What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can make transactions in Zengo wallet. Well, the process for that is very simple. You just need to follow these simple instructions. First things first, this is how the Zengo wallet will look like. Tap on the action button, which should be in the center, and it will give you the options if you want to buy it, sell it, earn it, swap it, or connect it. No, the process is pretty simple. If you want to, like send it, just tap on the send. After that, they will want you to enter the amount you want to send and then the recipient. You just have to do that. If you want to buy it, you'll be able to buy it from here. If you want to sell your cryptocurrency, you'll be able to sell it. Now, what does buying, selling, and sending and receiving means? Buying means you will be buying cryptocurrency from the money, from the fiat currency that you have, and selling means you will be selling your cryptocurrency and getting the fiat currency. Fiat currency is actually your dollars or pounds that you have. Sending and receiving means you are sending your cryptocurrency that you have to any other recipient wallet. However, receiving means you are receiving cryptocurrency from any other, sender. You'll be able to connect a different wallet as well. You'll be able to swap cryptocurrency. Swapping means if you have like bitcoins, you can actually swap the bitcoins with the like Ethereum right here on this page. You can actually earn with staking as well. Now you just have to, go to the sell option. If you want to sell it, you will be able to sell it and get money in either of these payment methods. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to make transactions in Zengo wallet without any problem. Hope you guys find this video helpful.